You ever wonder how ice houses keep their lights on while they're not plugged into the truck? We're going to show you how right here. All you do is take your plug from your truck, and you look for the top flat part, and what you're going to do is get a fuse that is 20 or 25, I don't think it matters, and you're going to grab a Leatherman. If you don't have a Leatherman and you're a city boy, you have to grab a needle nose, and all you do is bend them slightly, so it matches the curve of the plug, and you find the top flat piece and you want to tuck it between the plastic and the copper that's on the plug. So you tuck it in there. It's going to spark a little bit, but you won't get zapped or nothing, don't worry about that. Once you plug it in there,
there you have it.
And that's how easy it is. You should keep this on